Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a layout in Cadence. First, launch Cadence Virtuoso and open the Library Manager. From there, create a new cell view, selecting Layout as the type. It's crucial to attach the correct technology library to your design. This ensures you have access to all the necessary layers and design rules for your specific process. Once your cell view is ready, you can begin drawing. Use the rectangle tool for basic shapes and the path tool for more complex routing. Remember to select the correct layer for each element, like Metal 1 or Poly. You can easily modify shapes using commands like Stretch, Move, and Copy to refine your layout. Connecting your components is a key step. Use vias to establish connections between different metal layers, ensuring proper electrical paths. Route your wires carefully, making sure they connect to the correct pins and components. Always keep an eye on your design rules to avoid common errors and ensure a functional layout. Before finalizing, verification is essential. Run design rule checking, or DRC, to catch any geometric violations. Then, perform layout versus schematic, or LVS, to ensure your layout matches your schematic. Once verified, export your design as a GDCI file, which is the standard format for chip fabrication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.